Hey guys! Welcome to episode 2 of Making a Jacket for Vice Until She Sees This. By the way, do you like my bangs? Kakakat ko lang yan kahapon. Do you like my bangs? Because I love it. So, for today's episode, magkakat tayo ng mga pants. Tapos, I will show you how to make my signature crack prints. Let's start! What I usually do pag nagkakat ako ng mga denim or ng mga pants, nanonood ako ng movie or something para may background music lang ako. So, kinakat ko lang kasi yung mga audio ko or inuulit ko lang siya or tinatanggal ko siya kasi nga nabubulol-bulol ako kasi I'm not really comfortable talking in front of camera or in front of other people. But, you know, I'm learning. Kaya, on my next video, what do you guys want? Do you want me to yap? Do you want me to talk about life? Or do you want me to shut up? Just comment down below what you want. Anyway, please keep watching.
내가 못난 아들 덕에 내 마음 앞에 신세가 별 말씀이래요.
Hello. Gawin na natin yung flour mixture para sa crack print ko. Nandito ako sa kabilangan ng 3rd floor. So, we need bowl, tapos whisk, and then flour. Maingay yung background kasi nagva-vacuum sa baba. Tapos, we need water. Ever, baka marinig nyo yung vacuum sa baba. Yung mga kailangan ko, whisk. Madumi na siya kasi ito yung always na ginagamit ko pag ginagawa ko yung crack print na to. Tapos, I need flour, bowl, of course, and water. So, mimix ko lang siya until parang maging paste siya. So, mix ko lang siya hanggang sa maging smooth. By the way, my brand is Shinichi. I don't just buy the tela. I also make the print. Effort I put into it. I make the print on my own. Sometimes I patchwork, sometimes I make the print. Kaya other people, maybe pwede maging pricey for them yung pieces ko. Pero kasi it's how I make it eh. So, after this, babalikan ko to the next day kasi I have to let it dry and then I'm gonna bleach and wash it. Yeah. So, it's the next day na obviously, hindi siya natuyo kasi walang araw, ulan ng ulan kagabi. So, di pa rin siya tuyo. Pero kung maaraw sana, mabilis tong matuyo. Kasi pwede na siyang i-crack. Pero today, wala pa. Ang soft pa niya. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Again, let's check kung nag-dry na siya. Kahapon kasi, the whole day ulan ng ulan. So, for sure, di siya natuloy kahapon. So, I need to check now. Let's see. Di pa siya completely dry. I mean, dry na siya. Ayan no, naka-crack na. Ay. Di pa siya completely dry. I mean, dry na siya, pero malamig pa siya. And dapat kasi mag-curl up siya like this, so crunchy siya. Kasi dapat maka-crack mo siya ng ganito. See? Dapat maka-crack mo siya ng ganyan. Hey guys! So, I'm gonna show you. Ito yung itsura niya pag dry na siya. Diba? Matigas na siya. Ito na siya pag dry na siya completely. It's hard already and ready to crack. So, sana marinig siya. I-ASMR natin. Diba? Can you hear it? Sinistretch ko pa siya na para mas kita yung cracks niya. Can you hear it? Cool, diba? Sobrang cool. Pag na-crack na siya, pwede na siyang i-bleach. So, kakauwi ko lang. I took a bath and dry my hair, change my clothes, and then I'm gonna bleach na. Grabe yung araw. Parang kukunin na ako ni Lord. Anyway. Init. So I'm gonna wait for a few minutes and I will get a tub or a container para ibababad ko sila sa water para mag-soften yung flour. And then I'm gonna wash it. After washing, let it dry, and then that's all. I'm so tired. Tada! It's drying na. So, inabot na ako ng gabi. Guys, it's the next day. I'm going to show you yung mga na-dry na denim. Tapos ko na rin plansyahin yung mga denim. And now, I'm gonna show you the finished print. So, this is my signature crack print that I always use since college. Backstory, when I was in college, gumawa kami ng collection for our grad show. Tapos, ang ginawa ko doon is itong signature print ko. Pero, I didn't use denim at that time. I was using canvas. If I remember, it's canvas. Tapos, I still use the same technique after kung gawin yung floor. Instead of bleach, I paint it with acrylic or fabric paint. Yung grad show piece ko noon, sadly, wala na siya kasi tinapon ko sila. So, bago kasi ako mawala sa fashion industry, nung nafe-feel ko kasi na parang gusto ko nang mag-disappear, as in, I just wanted to be invisible. I just want to stay inside my bubble, inside my room. So, I stopped posting my works. Isa na rin doon, yun nga yung grad show ko. I don't know, I felt like I just want to throw it away, everything. So, tinapon ko yung mga works ko noon. Yung ginawa ko nung sa grad show, yung ginawa ko na sinuot ni Vice, tinapon ko lahat yun. I just felt like I don't want anything about fashion at that time. Parang, yung feeling ko kasi noon, parang pag walang fashion, walang nisha. Parang ganun. Parang ang nag-identify na lang sa akin is fashion nga. I mean, don't get me wrong, I really love it. I love making clothes, I love fashion. Nung nag-stop ako and umalis ako sa fashion industry, I still make clothes pero I don't post it at all. I just make clothes inside my room na ako lang yung makakakita and sometimes friends pero mostly ako lang talaga yung makakakita. I remember pa, I sold everything. My Copic markers, that's what we use for drawing or for rendering, for coloring. Planning to sell my sewing machine. Pero, ewan ko, I just feel like hindi ko kaya kasi I still love fashion. I really love fashion. I love making clothes. Pero yun nga, it's just there's something in me na I want to stop. There's something in me na I wanted to be invisible. So, I tried hiding even my works. I tried hiding my works. I tried hiding myself. I stayed inside the room. And I don't have confidence. I don't have self-love. I don't have anything. Kaya recently lang talaga ako gumagawa ng mga ganito. Recently lang ako din bumalik sa fashion. Recently lang ako bumalik sa world. Kaya I really want Vice Ganda to notice me again because I want her to wear my clothes again. I want to see her wear my clothes again. Just love how she talks about herself. Parang she's so confident with herself. Parang she loves herself so much. And I wanna meet her. I wanna talk to her. So here I am again, going out. Enough of all of this. I'm gonna show you the finished print. Diba? It's so nice. Ang ganda, diba? Wow. It's so nice, right? Tada. So, here. What I love about this technique and this design is very unpredictable. It's very unique. And, yun nga, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. You just do it. Just like in life. Hindi mo rin alam kung anong mangyayari unless you do it, unless you try it. And just like in life, it's not always perfect. As you can see, you can barely see the cracks. You can barely see this. You can barely see the design. It's not always perfect, but it's up to you if you're gonna keep going or just stop. Or pwede rin naman na you just love the outcome, whatever it is. Just accept and love it. I think I wanna retain this. Because not all cracks in your life you will see. Hindi lahat ng cracks sa life natin visible. Some of our cracks in life are very beautiful and unique. See? Anyway, thank you for listening and thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next episode. Bye!